drunk. Tell me what you want after this love. No, you're not. No Uber ride at my house.
Hey loves, welcome back. I know I look crazy right now. I just got out the shower. Tonight is a super wind down. I have to do certain things around the house. Probably gonna clean up a little bit in the kitchen and things. And we are having Korean barbecue tonight. We had it last night, but it was for like my sister, like a going away thing. So today we are running it back, doing a round two, just with me and my boyfriend. My daughter doesn't eat it, so she's gonna have spaghetti for dinner. So yeah, it's just gonna be a night with me, a night with us. I'm finishing up some laundry, and yeah, I gotta go put the rice on the stove. It is like 7. Oh, it's about to be 8 o'clock. Shit. It'll be 8 o'clock. And some salt. Can we put something on we both want to watch? Some bell peppers, some regular white onions. I'm gonna put some lettuce on here, some regular lettuce, some butter lettuce, and we got some rice, like I said. I'm gonna put that in a container. I'm not gonna do that all fancy, but I did get my little, I ordered this from Williams Sonoma, my little hydrangea collection at Williams Sonoma. So I got this serving bowl, and I got, of course, dry rice in this serving tray, which I needed a serving tray because I don't have any serving trays, and this is giving me good grandma, like last me a long time serving tray that I could possibly give to Sophia when she gets older. She probably won't like it, but you never know. And then I also got 2 mugs. Oh, I got 2 pink hydrangea mugs, which I love. All right, so now I'm gonna show y'all what else we got going on. We got, this is brisket. This is thinly sliced brisket. And then we also have, what is this? This is marinated garlic beef brisket. And then this is marinated pork belly. Let me see what the other one, we got another one in the fridge. And then this is also pork belly. This is like, yeah, the pork belly roast. So yeah, we're gonna finish that up. Let me get the lettuce. Huh? Cut up some pieces? Okay. It's time for a mocktail. Before I do all that, let me rail. I gotta see what I'm gonna mix it with. Just to give it a little bubbly, because I'm not drinking. Well, not drinking at all, so. With a little bit of this zero sugar lemonade you got yesterday. And I'm gonna do a splash of this Starbucks Refresher strawberry icy, whatever it is, I don't know. Some frozen strawberries. Frozen strawberries in here. Let's give it a taste. You want to taste my mocktail? You want a regular glass or?
Give it a regular.
Okay.
$119 per night plus a $75 deposit. But you know the best way to get to.
All right, so this is our setup we got going so far. Everything looks so great. I'm so hungry. I can't wait to eat. This is our griddle. We got this from H Mart too, and it's by the brand KOTO. You can see it right there. And it's done as well. It's like our third time using it, so it's like really good. Then I have to put my meat on there now because I can see it smoky. Turn it up, babe.
Just be it.
I can't hear nothing. So we finished eating. It was good. It definitely gave me the itis. So now we have to clean up. Because I'm definitely ready to lay down. And I don't want to leave the kitchen like this overnight. So we need to clean. Do we gotta do? Jason is washing the dishes. Loving me in that clean. Intermission break. I'm tired. Oh, and we're gonna go outside because let me know in the comments below if anybody has issues like if you have a garden outside and you have like flowers that you're trying to keep nice, but you have slugs in your yard that are trying to eat your plants. So I've planted like, how many have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hydrangea bushes that I planted in front of my house. And I realized that on one of my bushes, they were looking weird. One of my plants, they were looking weird. So I was like, we need to figure out what that is. And we kept seeing like the shininess of the slime on the mulch and stuff, and I'm like, oh my god, it's slugs out here. So yesterday, after my mom and after my family left, me and Jay went out there and we saw like it was like 6 slugs out there just crawling to my plants. So we got rid of them. But how did you like get rid of them permanently? Because we're gonna go back out there later tonight and see if we see any out there trying to terrorize my plants, because I looked up something and it was like, if your plants are fragile, like if your hydrangeas are fragile and they're just now starting, you know, they will be harmful to your plants. So I'm like, oh, y'all not about to kill my hydrangea bushes, because I just see myself just having the biggest, beautifulest, brightest hydrangea bushes like just in front of my house, just super beautiful. So I have nothing but hydrangea bushes planted. So I know this year right now it's too late for them to come up really the way I want them to, but I know next year they're gonna be fire, and I can't wait. So I don't need nothing borrowing, like messing with my plants. So if y'all know of anything I could do to like keep the slugs away permanently, let me know. Like more natural remedies. I don't want to go like buy anything because it's just annoying. Because like I also had an issue with like birds coming to my reef and trying to build a nest in my reef. So I had looked up like natural remedies to get that away, and all I had to do was put fake snakes inside of my reef. So I bought a pack of like 100 of these tiny little plastic snakes, and I stuck them like really discreetly inside of my reef. I I haven't had an issue since, because when I found out, I really didn't realize it because I kept on seeing bird poop at the door. And sometimes, like, I would be sitting in the living room and I would see my reef moving, or I would open the front door and a bird would like go shooting, flying away. And now I realized why. But them snakes, them little snakes, definitely keep it away. You don't have no issues. No issues with no birds. So that's a little tip for y'all. If y'all have issues with birds trying to make a nest in your reef, put a little snake. I think I put like 2 or 3 in my reef and I stuck them in there discreetly. So if you weren't looking for it, you would never see it. But them birds, they see it and they get scared, so they don't come out. So, or better, period. My girl, make sure you brush your teeth and stuff.
I did. I brushed my teeth.
Okay. Need to fold this laundry. Got my mask on. I definitely think it does wonders for your skin. The red light therapy, I definitely think the red light therapy works. So I just want to thank you guys for watching my videos and subscribing to my channel. Thank you for spending the night with me. I know it was kind of little, but this is literally how my Saturday nights go. Sometimes we make dinner, sometimes I don't. It just depends. Like tonight was just one of those, you know, whatever. We had the leftovers, so we needed to finish it. And it was good, so we did that. And I always do a little cleaning. I always get my laundry done on the weekends. Normally on Sundays, I do have to finish Sophia's laundry. But my Saturdays are normally like super chill. I take my time. It's super slow. I don't put no like super force or work into it. I just be wanting to be chill, you know. So that way Sundays, I'm gonna be extra chill. You get what I mean? So I try to do most of my stuff on Fridays and Saturdays to get it out the way, which is not a lot because I clean my house every day. So it's not that much to do every day. But to clean, but to do like the laundry and vacuum and clean the kitchen. In the kitchen, you know, you clean the kitchen every day because you're cooking, you in there, you washing, making dishes. It's just like inevitable that the kitchen is a mess. But yeah, super chill. Super calm. This is super realistic for me. This is me on the weekends. This is my Saturday. I hope you all enjoyed it. I know I got this crazy mask on, but like I said, it's my red light. The red mask, I know what it is. So I hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you all in my next video very soon. Bye.